Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essentials of starting and growing your small business. Let's get started. 1. Define your business idea. Your business should reflect your interests, skills, and market needs. Research competitors and seek feedback to refine your idea. 2. Create a business plan. This roadmap outlines your goals, strategies, target audience, and financial projections. Key components include an executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, and financial projections. 3. Choosing the right business structure is crucial. Consider liability, tax implications, and complexity when deciding between sole proprietorships, partnerships, LLCs, and corporations. 4. Secure funding. Options include self-funding, loans, investors, and crowdfunding. Prepare a compelling pitch and showcase your team's strengths to attract investors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.